Are all your Blink camera footage in black and white? Well, I'll explain the reason as to why this happens and how you can patch it up in detail. So, if you're new here, welcome to Blink Blink. Let's get started. Blink cameras like the Blink Outdoor 3 I have here have an array of infrared LEDs or IR LEDs that aid in illuminating the footage recorded by your camera. You can find the settings for configuring IR on your camera by going to the settings page of your camera and tapping on video and photo settings. You should see a tab titled Night Vision. If you want to dive deep into the IR lore of Blink cameras, I do have a dedicated video on just that, which you can access by subscribing to our channel. I will also make sure to leave a link to that in the description as well. But in short, IR LEDs help in capturing nighttime footage by emitting invisible IR lights onto the scene. But since IR lights are not visible lights, you won't be able to see color on the footage recorded with an IR camera. Fortunately, this is an option that you can toggle off using your Blink app. Now, let's move on to the Blink app where you can configure your IR settings. The Night Vision tab allows you to configure the IR LEDs of your Blink camera that allows for the illumination of footage recorded by your camera in dimly lit or pitch black environments. Having IR LEDs toggled down at all times means that you will get footage that's always in black and white, so you can toggle it off to get your colors back. I recommend that you configure these settings for your Blink camera based on the usage and the environment that the camera is placed in. Now, if you have turned off IR and night vision settings for your Blink camera via the Blink app and you still get black and white footage from your Blink app, then you will need to proceed with some tried and tested troubleshooters. If there's any disturbance in the communication channel between your Blink camera and the Blink app, then that could be the prime reason behind your issues. Your sync module is a major component for communication, and if there are connectivity issues within the system, maybe your Blink cameras never got the instructions to turn off the IR lights from the Blink app. The best way to go about this is to open the Blink app on your phone and check if the sync module is properly paired and connected with the Blink app. You can check the connection status of your sync module by tapping on the sync module option from the home screen. All this will fail, of course, if your Wi-Fi doesn't have access to the internet, so make sure that everything is stable and working at that end as well. When it comes to electronics that perform 100 operations every moment and are connected to power 24/7, charging related or power related issues are bound to crop up. This can hinder the productivity of your camera and in some cases can even lead to the camera not following instructions from the Blink app. Power cycles can help solve this by depleting the charges from within and refreshing the charge cycle. You can power cycle your Blink camera by removing its batteries and popping them back in after a minute or two. Power cycle your sync module as well by unplugging and plugging it back in after a minute. Now, if nothing I mentioned so far seems to fix your issue, you can try resetting your whole Blink system. This ensures a complete wipe of any saved settings and resets your device configurations to its factory defaults. To do that, you'll first need to delete your Blink camera and your sync module from your Blink system and add them again. First, open the Blink app on your phone. Then, tap on the settings icon next to the Blink cam thumbnail. Then, tap on General Settings and scroll down to the option that says Delete Device. Tap on it and confirm your decision. Then, press the reset button on the back of your sync module for about 5 seconds till the LEDs on the front flash red. Open the Blink app on your phone and tap on the sync module offline banner that pops up and tap on Delete Sync Module. Confirm your selection by scanning the QR code on the back of your module and proceed with the installation. With this, I believe I've mentioned all the points that I wanted to talk about regarding black and white footages from your Blink camera. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart home content.